Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So I finally bought two new brush sets, and what I'm going to do is get rid of any brushes that I've had more than 18 months. You're really supposed to get rid of them after like 90 days, maximum 6 months, especially if you do your makeup 2 or 3 times per week. But what I've just been doing is like buying single brushes and getting rid of the ones that are really worn out, but it's really time for me to get rid of the really old brushes. So BH Cosmetics, honestly, they are inexpensive, especially if you're a beginner. BH Cosmetics has really cute brush sets. They're soft, they last a while, and they take Afterpay, so that's also really clutch. But I got two sets to show you, so let's get into it. First, I got the Midnight Festival brush set. I like when the light shines on it. It's just super bright. Already took them out, but what I want to show you is on the back, it has number 1 through 10 listed right here to tell you exactly which brush is for what thing. I really like that about these brushes. Most brushes will have the word or number on them, and if you're really not sure if you're going to be able to figure out how to use the brushes, keep the boxes because the boxes have the words on them. So here's what the set looks like. It also comes with a holder. It's cute and vibrant and pink, like my nails. I have brush holders, but I like that all these brushes that come in this set fit in this holder. These are full-size brushes. I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna show you each one. You have to be careful with some of BH Cosmetics brushes because they will be the travel size, and it's really kind of hard to tell until you get them, but these are full-size brushes, and here's each brush. Number 1 is the Deluxe Angled Powder Brush. It's very soft. Number 2 is the Foundation Buffer Brush. It's soft, but it's more densely packed. Number 3 is the Tapered Powder Brush. Also very soft. Number 4 is the Dense Buffer Brush, probably my favorite. I like this for contouring and also kind of contouring the sides of my nose. This is a really good size for that, for me. Number 5 is a highlight brush. It's a little more fluffy than I would want for a highlight brush, but you can always use it for something else. Number 6, the small flat shader brush. Number 7, the tapered blending brush. Number 8 just says blending brush. It looks like a dual fiber brush, so it's like thinner here and thicker there. Number 9 is the large shader brush. And number 10, the angled detail brush. So together, all these super cute brushes go in the container. I purchased these with my own money. They were on sale, which is pretty normal for BH Cosmetics. They always have a sale, and I'll let you know exactly how much it costs. The Midnight Festival brush set is $13.50, and it says it's regular $18, but again, they always have a sale. So let's get into the second brush set. This is actually the very first brush set that I ever owned. I saw that Slim Roche said to use these brushes if you're a beginner. It's a great set. It's a good price. The Studio Pro brush set. So I had to buy these again because I had so much luck with them the first time. I actually still have some brushes like 18 months later from this set that are still pretty decent. I like that they add pictures on the back of this one so you can know exactly which brush is which. So it's 13 pieces. It does not come with a holder, but you know, you can put it in just about anything. They come individually wrapped. And we're gonna get into these brushes really quickly. These are easier to take out of the plastic than the other one. You just kind of hold it and it falls out. So they show the fan brush as number 1. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't use this fan brush. I still have one. It is relatively new because I don't put highlighter on with this humongous fan brush. It's even bigger than what it looks like in this pack. But if you're a fan of a fan brush or you can find something else to do with it, that's number 1. Number 2 is a tapered powder brush. Now this is my favorite brush in the set, I think. It is very fluffy. You can do blush with it. If you want to do contour powder with it, you can do that as well. Even if you want to do powder foundation, you can use this brush because it's very lush. It's kind of packed, but it's not as packed as a foundation brush. The other brush that's great is this small contour brush. It's really a great brush. It is soft, but it's great for contouring. And they have a really good size foundation brush. This is number 4, and it's the foundation brush. It's called a flat top buffing brush, but I use it for foundation. It's just the right size, I feel like, for foundation. Some brushes are too big for my face. I feel like they cover too much area at one time. This is a great foundation brush. Number 5 is the pointed crease brush. It's a little big for my crease. I don't have that much lid space, but this is that brush. If you want to do a whole lid sweep, this might be a good brush for number 5. Number 6 is almost just like that brush, but it's a little bit flatter. It's a blending crease brush. Number 7 is a flat shader brush. I really like this for either putting my inner corner or contouring the sides of my nose. I like putting highlighter up here. This is a really good brush for a lot of things. Also, putting on lipstick or putting on gloss on top of your lipstick. This is a really good multi-purpose brush. This is the small pointed crease brush. There's a lot of crease brushes and I don't really need that many, so I use them for a lot of other things. Number 9, the small flat shader brush. This is really good for putting eyeshadow underneath my eyes. This is a pretty precise brush for that. I really like it. Also, inner corner, also putting glitter on my lid. This is a really good brush for that. Number 10 is the lip brush. It's for what it says it's for. Also, inner corner highlight, underneath the eyes. Make your brushes work for you. Number 11 is a flat eyeliner brush. I actually don't use this for eyeliner because I have eyeliner with the little wand, but I do fill in my brows with this brush, put on lipstick, inner corner highlight, all of those things. You can also use this to spot correct too. I have pimples on the sides of my face usually, so I put like a little bit of like orange like corrector on there. This brush is great for that. This is the bent liner brush. Eyeliner here. I don't do under my eyes, but I would use this one for my wing if I didn't have an applicator on my liner. You could also dip this in eyebrow pomade and use it as liner as well. And then last but not least, number 13 is the angled liner and spoolie brush. Love it. I love it. That angle, that's a tight angle. What happened with my other one was I put it in the washing machine to wash and I realized the small brushes don't need to go in there because it messed up my tight angle. So that is that. The 13 pieces in the Studio Pro set are here. These brushes are $23 and it says that they are regularly $35. Love them except for that big giant fan brush, but these are really good brushes. I think that these are going to last me for another year for sure. And now I can feel really good about getting rid of my old brushes. If you have any questions about these brushes, just let me know. I will be using them in my makeup videos. Most of my makeup videos are on Instagram, so please follow me there at Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a great day.